What do you think? You think you have it in you? The challenge is on. Are you still shy? I think Azuka is shy. Think you're thinking about it like, I don't know. Thanks for the love reaction, everyone. Thank you so much. Guys, don't forget you're at Food-Farrell'S Kitchen. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome again. Everyone is welcome. Thank you so much for the reactions. I'm loving it. Azuka, you said that the last time, one day. Oh my gosh, you're so shy. Okay, I'm waiting for that one day. Make sure you put in your notification when you're going to do it. Facial. So I will be like, I'll be the first to be like, there she goes. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I get excited easily. That is the day I'm waiting for. Azuka, don't disappoint me. It's going to be phenomenal. I know, right? Ah. See what happens when you guys give me a day off and put me in front of this camera? A lot of nonsense goes on. uh, it was nice talking to you all, though. It's so nice for you guys to join me. It's so cool. Yeah, Zuka, when you go live, I'm going to be here. I'm going live in soon. Soon as in like today soon? Or soon like in tomorrow soon? Official soon? I know I'm pushing it. What are you gonna make? I guess I have to tune in to find out. Don't tell anyone. Let them tune in to find out so we could watch the magic. Everything you put in an hour or so, everything you put out there looks so good. I watched the channel and I'm just like, God, I should be in her kitchen. Pastries. I'm not a great pastry person, but you know, I try to dabble into it. But your stuff, my gosh. You guys make me drool, and you guys know I'm a foodie already, so you know how that works. I'm just like, oh, you should definitely live next door. You're welcome. I'm serious. All about food. I'm going to tune into yours later for sure. Is it live, right? Okay. I'll tune in within an hour. And so like 8-ish. Okay. I will be there. Thank you so much. Go and prepare yourself. Thank you for being here. I'll be there soon. I can't wait to find out what you're making. Everyone out there who is watching, please like the channel. Guys, I'm going to stay on for another 10 minutes or so. So if you want to send a comment or you want to say hi or good day, good afternoon, good morning, let me know where you're from. It will be interesting. I ran out of my tea, my coffee. Thank you for those who sat and had breakfast with me. I appreciate it. I'm so full. I can't even look at this anymore. But I'll leave this over here. Can't look at it anymore. Welcome to my Monday. Today is so nice out, so I think I might actually go out and enjoy this weather. I've been looking forward to this weather for so long. Winter was dreary. Oh, cold one day, hot one day, cold one day, hot one day, snow, 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 snow. Good weather now, so I'm going to enjoy it as much as I can. And when the real summer comes along, I expect to get a good, nice tan. I'm going to get charcoal dark. All that vitamin D in my system. It's going to be thanking me later. My bones will